Hi! Today we're going to speak about the Neumann TLM 102. This is an excellent microphone that I always dreamed of having a Neumann, because Neumann is a German company that has been doing microphones for more than 50 years, and they are the industry standards when it comes to recording. So if you want to have or upgrade your recording workflow, you need to get a Neumann. Here it is. We're gonna unbox it. This microphone is brand new. I've always wanted to have it, and I'm gonna show you here, right? What comes in the box is basically this you put on the microphone stand, right? And here is the microphone. Okay, that's all it comes in the box. It's very important to note that that's all it comes in the box. The microphone is really well made. I wish you could feel it because it's really sturdy. This is metal. This is all metal. It has a cardioid pattern, and it picks up everything. So when you're recording with this microphone, everything is gonna get picked up. So you're gonna have to isolate your room or record on times when you know that there's not going to be too much activity around, because it will definitely pick up everything. So what I recommend is that you start thinking of what times are the best times to record, because this is going to pick up everything from the clock on the wall to the television on the people downstairs. If you live in an apartment complex like I do, the television downstairs, this is going to pick up everything. It's really good for speaking up close. So you're going to this is the front of the microphone. It has this red mark here, and this is the front. So you're going to speak up on the front of this microphone. Now, I recommend, this doesn't come with the microphone, but I recommend one of these mounts when it comes to for recording, because otherwise this microphone will pick up all the vibrations of anyone walking in your apartment. It is that sensitive. So Neumann TLM 102, totally recommend.